guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is I think we're doing a night routine. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, this is my last bit of work. I'm quickly complete this. Okay, I am finally done. So now I can go ahead and finally meet up. This is actually been one of my longest shifts actually. So I'm really excited to go home today. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly change outfit. And let's go home and let's go ahead and meet up with my friends. I am so excited. Okay, so now I'm just walking, and I think this is where my friend gave me the location. OMG, hey girl! Hey, how you been? Oh my god, I miss you so much, girl. I know, I literally haven't seen you in such a long time. Like, girl, where have you been? You were kind of like 10 minutes late, but don't judge you. Girl, I'm so sorry. Like the last time just took so much time. Yeah, of course. I'm actually getting really hungry, kind of hungry. Ooh, there's some bananas right there. Wanna get one? Ooh, I would love to get one. Okay, let me get one. Hi, can I get 2 bananas, please? Yeah, sure. What flavor do you want? What flavor do you want? I have the chocolate. Okay, now I have the strawberry. Okay. That'll be 15 bucks. Here you go. Here you go. 1 strawberry and 1 banana. Thank you. Okay, let's sit down. So how's life been? You know, it's not been too bad actually. Uh-oh. Emily? Yeah? We're literally gonna be late to ballet in like 20 minutes. To get there, it's 10 minutes, so we need to get going or literally teachers are gonna start yelling at us. Shoot, I forgot about it. Uh-oh, I think I forgot my outfit. Okay, I might have a speaker. Come on, let's just go quickly go. Come on. Okay guys, so now I'm just going ahead and just starting to go ahead and comb my hair. And I just made a new ponytail to make it way more better. I'm not going to Girl, keep your hairspray away from me. You know I'm allergic. We all know you're kidding. You're just so reactive. Anyways, come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, so ballet class actually just ended and actually went well before I know it, so it actually went pretty well. Yeah, me too. I think it also went really well for me. Yeah. So now we're getting ready to go ahead and go home. So let's go ahead and wear my outfit. There we go. See some more quick sips of water. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get a head start on going. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, I think I should start going too. Okay, so it actually started raining, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly go to the metro. So it's a good thing that I brought my umbrella. So let's go ahead and quickly go to the metro station. Attention all passengers, we're now going from OK Street to Cloudley Hills. Please remain seated throughout the whole drive. Thank you. Okay, so right now it is almost like 6 p.m. Ballet has gone pretty well. We actually learned a new combo and technique. And yeah, today was actually pretty fun. And there was this girl in the park that was like wearing all black. It was kind of like spying, but I'm not gonna think it pretty much too. So I think it's just my paranoia. Like it's kind of odd that like she looked really familiar next to me. Whatever. It's probably just nothing. Attention all passengers, you may get off now. Oops, first up, so let's get going. Okay guys, so I finally made it home and it was literally like so freezing. I am literally so cold right now. It's a good thing that I brought my umbrella because otherwise I think I would be freezing to death. Okay, let me go ahead and get my keys. Cherry, have you been waiting for me? Oh, I missed you so much. Oh, because of that, you deserve a nice treat. Here you go. Your favorite treat. Oh, I hope you like it. Well, let's go ahead and unpack my bag so I can get ready for tomorrow. Okay, my water bottle. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it back in my bag. My phone I get out. A ballet outfit I'll wash too. My nurse outfit I'll wash, so I'm just go ahead and put it on there. The rest I'm just gonna stay in my bag and my keys. The rest I'm just go ahead and put it in my bag. So yeah. And also I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice warm bath because I know that'll help me like break off like the how you say it, the coldness. So yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot, I was taking off my glasses. Okay. Let's get ready. Okay, while I'm taking a shower. That shower was literally be so amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try some body lotion. The US Vanilla Cashmere body lotion smells so heavenly. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's literally my holy grail or whatever. It's really my favorite. Definitely recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and get a face mask. Oh, I love this one. So I'm gonna get this one and this is so relaxing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and actually put my glasses away. Put it there, I guess. I'm just gonna go ahead and chill for a bit while waiting for my mask to get ready. I am actually getting a little hungry, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and order some sushi because I'm kind of craving it. Okay, I just placed my order, so I'm going to wait a few more minutes and I think my food will be done.
11 minutes later.
Okay, let's go ahead and wash out this face mask. Okay, time to take it off. There we go. Put that back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I think that's the door, so I'm going to answer it. Is this an order for Bella? Yep, that's me. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. Okay, so my food is already here, so I do have a little bit of work to catch up on, so I'm just gonna see what kind of work I have, and depending on that, I'll just go ahead and eat it. To me, this literally feels like it's gonna taste so good. It's so yummy. Sushi. Oh, let's get working. Okay, that food was so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the spot off with this sparkling ramen. Love it. Okay, I'll just put it on the rest on my table so I can finish it later. Okay, obviously it's gonna be in the trash. Okay, now it's almost like 9 p.m. so let's go ahead and quickly do my skincare. Okay, so for skincare, I'll go ahead and do some of this. Okay, I'm also going to go with the dewdrops. From Glow Recipe. Some serum. And last but not least, but last and not least, a Sapphire lip balm. It smells so good. And to top it off, I'm gonna go ahead and with some gua sha because it helps sink in your skincare so much better, and my skin has been glowing because of it. I feel so much cuter. So much better. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and change my outfit because I'm gonna need to wash this outfit too, so I'm gonna put it there and change it to something way more comfortable than this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this. This is so cute. And hang my robe back. And I'm gonna go ahead and also do my hair. So, do my hair with me. I think a cute little, like, I feel like just leave my hair down will be so cute. So, yeah, I think that will be perfecto.
Ta-da!
Okay, so since I tied up all day, it feels like a little weird, but like, it feels pretty good. Go ahead and also finish the ramen. Put it in the trash can. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and get ready before. But before I do that, I'm also craving a really treat, and I heard about like that viral thing called hwache, so I really want to try that. So come with me and try it. Alright, so all you need is a melon. So open it. Okay. And you need strawberries. So let's get a board and a knife. Be careful. Okay, and just mix the two. And you get a yummy bowl of hwache. This looks so good, guys. Oh my god, this tastes so good. What the heck? This is so delicious. Legit 10 out of 10. If you guys want to try it out, because like it's so good. Next, now time for brushing my teeth. Okay, that's it. Put it, oopsie. Put it there and mouthwash. I know people always say, don't scroll before bed, don't scroll before bed. But like, I can't help it. What do you expect me to do? So, I'm gonna go doom scroll for a little bit, okay? Just for a little bit.
3:28 a.m.
Might have doom scrolled for a little too long, but anyway, I have to go to bed anyways. I'm getting so tired. Put my phone down. Anyways, guys, good night. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a like, subscribe. Bye. Mwah.